Here's a preview of how to use our community, ADHD mompreneurs. When you go to our classroom tab right here, you'll see a folder on how to use the school platform if you're new to school. Also, and more importantly, you will see folders about ADHD information, implementation right here, and inspiration. I believe that having these three as your foundation for knowing about ADHD and implementing what you know about ADHD and being inspired by your ADHD are critical in your ADHD journey. That's why I have all three of them here separated this way. For ADHD information, when you click on that, you'll see different types of information, not just for you and for women's health and ADHD, also for your kids, because ADHD is hereditary. Parents who have ADHD have a 40 to 57% chance of having a child with ADHD. So if you need resources about IEP plans, 504 accommodations, here are the links that you can take a look at. Also, when you go back to classroom, in the implementation folder and you click here, I am adding productivity hacks, sleeping tips, depression tools, and additional implementation that I will put in there. Also, for inspiration, because ADHD can be a struggle, I believe in the middle road, that ADHD is not just a superpower or ADHD is not just a disorder, but a middle road where you play up your strength and you compensate for your weaknesses with your ADHD, not despite it. As a thriving ADHD mom, speaker, and lawyer, I know how ADHD can be a struggle and how ADHD can be a superpower as well. That's why when you click on the inspiration right here, you will see different methods that you can use to inspire yourself, like this 30-day ADHD focus affirmation card, or you can look at this playlist of the top 10 most viewed TED Talks about ADHD by women with ADHD. You might recognize number 9 right there, shamingly plugging myself. But here, if you look at this and watch these women who have ADHD and have their own stories and perspective, I'm sure you'll find someone that you can relate with and hopefully inspire you to keep going with your entrepreneurship and also with your family. And how to learn more about your ADHD journey. So go ahead and check those out, and I hope to see you inside our community. I appreciate you.